Good morning to everyone. Today, teacher is going to teach you about multiplication of decimals. Let us see the first example. 2.8 times 3. The first step in this multiplication of decimal is we must write the number sentence in a vertical form. 2.8 times 3. Students, if you look at the addition and subtraction of decimals, we will place the decimal first. But in multiplication, we should not do like that. So, we must times the number first. 8 times 3 is 24. So, 4 we write here and 2 we place over there. And 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2, you get 8. Correct. Now, we must find the decimal places. Students, after this decimal, call as decimal place. So, in this question, we have one decimal place. Students, we must place the decimal after one number. Do you understand, students? So, the answer for this question is 8.4. Let us look at the second example. 5 times 4.02. When you write this number in a vertical form, we must write the decimal number first. 4.02 times 5. Students, what we should do after this? Very good. We must times the number. 2 times 5 is 10. So 0 here, 1 over there. And 0 times 5, 0. And 1 we must plus. We get 1. And 4 times 5 is 20. After we find the answer, we must find the decimal places here. How many decimal places in this question? 1, 2. We have 2 decimal places. So we must place the decimal after 2 numbers. Do you understand, students? So, the answer for this question is 20.10. When we have a 0 after the decimal, it has no value. So, we just no need to write the 0. So, the answer is 20.1. Let us look at the third example. 62.702 times 4. Students, we are going to solve this question using lattice method. Let me teach you how to do this using lattice method. First, you must write the decimal number. 62.702 and times 4. You must write the numbers in this way. After you write in this way, we must times the numbers one by one. So first, we have 2 here. So 2 times 4, we get 8. We must write the 8 this way. Do you understand? Okay, let me go to the next number, which is 0 times 4. Students, 0 times 4, we get 0. So, we just write zeros in the column. Then next number is 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Next, 2 times 4. We get 8. So how you are going to write? 0, 8. Next is 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Students, do you understand how to write the numbers in a lattice method? Now, teacher is going to teach you how to find the total answer. First, we must come from the end. The last number is 8. So, we just drop the 8 down. Then, we move to the next column. Here we have 0 and 0. Students, we must plus these two numbers. 0 plus 0, we get 0. After find the answer, we move to the next column. 0 plus 8, we get 8. Next, 2 plus 8. Students, 2 plus 8 is 10. But we just write the 0 here and 1 we give to the next number. And here we have 0, 1 and 4. We must add all these numbers. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Next, here we have only 2. So we just drop the 2 down. And this is not the final answer because we haven't write the decimal yet. So we must find the decimal places before we place the decimal. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 decimal places. So we must write after these 3 numbers. So the answer is 250 decimal 808. Do you understand, students? Now, teacher is going to teach you the quick multiplication by times 10, 100 and 1000. Let us see the first example. 10 times 8.43. In this number sentence, we must write the decimal number first. 8.43. After we write the decimal number, we find how many zeros in this number. Students, how many zeros are here? Very good. There is only 1 0. Now, we are going to move this decimal. In the multiplication question, we will move the decimal to our right. Here we have only 1 0. So we move 1 time the decimal. Do you understand, students? So the answer for this question is 84.3. Let us look at the second example. 87.615 times 100. Students, what is the first step we must do? Very good. We must write the decimal number. Then, yes, we must find the total zeros in 100. How many zeros are here, students? Yes, there are 2 zeros. So now we are going to move this decimal to our right 2 times. 1, 2. So the answer is 8761 decimal 5. Do you understand, students? Let us see the last example. 7.008 times 1000. What is the first step, students? Very good. We must write the decimal number. Then look at the 1000. How many zeros in the 1000? 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 zeros. So we must move this decimal for 3 decimal places. 1, 2, and 3. Now the answer is 7008. Do you understand, students? I hope all of you understand today's lesson. Try to do more revision on this topic. Thank you.